Welcome to ZeroOutages installation guide. I'm going to give you a real-time example of the failover capabilities that the ZeroOutages client has to offer. First, I'm going to show you my settings. I have my proxy tab set to default. I configured this to match my adapters, and I have both boxes checked for active. We'll go over to the failover tab. As you see, I have failover enabled and secondary as a backup. The bottom variables are all left as default. I'm going to show you a quick speed test. Open up my task manager so we can view the network. As you see, only one adapter is being used for my speed test. I'm going to try a download. Speed test is still running. I have my download running. Both adapters are being used right now. Looks like the speed test ended. Download is still going. Now you see that my network interface adapter is still being used for the download, and the USB is no longer being used. This to simulate that both networks are not being used for the same internet session. I'm going to show you a network failure on my network interface card by disconnecting the Ethernet cable. You see I had an internet service failure, and the download just got dropped. The USB adapter did not pick up the download. Now I'm going to reconnect my network interface card internet service. And the download started right back up. Now I'm going to go ahead and cancel this download. I'm going to launch the ZeroOutages desktop client. I'm going to minimize this so we can view the desktop. I'm going to restart this download. Now you see both adapters are being used for the same session by simply launching the ZeroOutages client. Now I'm going to perform the same simulation by disconnecting the Ethernet cable from my network interface card. You see the USB adapter network is still pulling data. My download is still going, and I have not lost information. If I get your attention over here on the download, you see that it dropped to 0 kilobytes with 8 megabits per second. However, the task manager still shows network activity. And here we go, the download returned, and it has jumped up to 16 megabits, 17 megabits. So pretty much, I never experienced a loss of network, just the download manager had to refresh. Now I'm going to simulate my internet service returning onto my network interface card by connecting the Ethernet cable. You see we have internet service has returned, and immediately both networks are downloading the file. This gives you peace of mind that even if you experience a network outage out of one of your internet services, the end user will not have to experience downtime. So your files on your server, or even if it's just your personal computer, you will always have internet access. This concludes the real-time network failover example for the ZeroOutages client. Thank you.